Hello everyone, my name is Alexia and in this video I'm gonna teach you about WH family words. And in this video we will know that what are WH family words and their uses. So first we will know what are WH family. So WH family are those words which we ask for information or questionings, also reasonings. So there are words meet the core WH words. Let's explore the most common WH words and how they helps us ask about different types of information. So our very first word is what. What means kya. Purpose, ask about things, ideas or action. Means what. We will know this by an example. We'll know it by an example. An example. What is your favorite food? आपका favorite food क्या है? So here we are asking about that thing. Means we are questioning over here. So when we question or ask what is it or what is that, here the WH family words occurs. So our next is where. Where means kaha. Purpose, ask about place or location. Here we see an example. Where do you usually study? Where means कहाँ. तुम ज़्यादातर कहाँ पे पढ़ाई करते हो. तो यहाँ पे कहाँ पर, जब कहाँ पर की बात कहा है तो where we are still asking here that where do you usually study. So it's a part of WH family word. Yes. Our next is when. Purpose, ask about time or a specific moment when. And the example is when we does the movie start. वो movie कब start होगी. So यहाँ पे when means कब. So we are still asking when. When is when came. It's the core WH word. Yes. And the fourth is who, means कौन. We use this for people. Ask about people or identity. Who is coming to the party? Party में कौन आ रहा है. Here कौन आ रहा है is for people. Yeah. Asking about the reasons and the choices. Here we see why. Why is purpose, ask for a reason or explanation. Why are you learning English? Why here we are asking why he she is doing that or why he she is learning English. Here we are asking for what purpose she is learning English. So it's yeah. And the second is which. Purpose, ask for a choice between options. Which is always used for options between something or asking for. We see with example which we see that which color do you like. आपको कौन सा color पसंद है. Here we are asking for what choice of color do you like. And the other is whose. Ask about possession or ownership. Whose umbrella is this. Whose is also always used when if in a particular thing, if someone's possession in it, we are asking whose is this. Means we'll take an example of an umbrella. Whose umbrella is this. This umbrella is not mine, it's someone else, and I'm asking whose umbrella is this, because the other persons who have possession in this, I'll know. And the other is the unique case of how. How is an informal way to use why. How we always use. If we use how means we are asking why. We will know it an example. How do you cook rice? How do you cook rice? The other meaning of this means the way, in what way do you cook rice? Yeah, so we always need to remember that how is an informal way to use why. Yes. Here we see method or manner. Example, method or manner means the way or how it will means कैसे ये होगा. So we see how do you make this delicious cake. तुम ये इतना स्वादिष्ट केक कैसे बनाते हो. तो here we see कैसे मतलब कैसे, the way she makes that delicious cake. And the other is quality or condition. How was your day at school? How was your day at school? आपका दिन कैसा था स्कूल में. Here we are asking the condition, of what conditions and what sufferings you have faced at the school. Here we are asking that. So we also use how here. And the third one is amount or degree. How much does this cost, means how we will know with an example how much this pen costs. It costs 10 rupee. So here is the amount or degree. Here we are asking how much. We are using how. Yeah, putting into practice. So these were the some words, and I hope so you like this video and got to know a lot about the WH family words. Thank you for being in Speakeasy. Thank you.